Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find out what GB or total storage size your phone is on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, we go down and tap on storage, and at the top here on the right hand side, this will show the total storage size of the device. So in here, the device has 256 gigabyte. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with 256 gigabyte. And that's it. So that is how you can find out the total storage space or the GB size of your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.